welcome back to my channel, and we're about to go on another one of Lexi's adventures. So I think last time I left you off, we explored Paris a bit, and I went to Lana Del Rey concert, right? Well, right now we're gonna go do some more exploring. Today we're gonna go to Parc Monceau, and that's gonna be our start point, and we're gonna walk around the park. I'm gonna do some reading, and then that's gonna just be the start point of today, and we'll see where it takes us. So let's go, and I'll take you this in a couple more days. Hello, another day, another adventure. I traveled to Bordeaux yesterday. I have some winery meetups with some winemakers tomorrow, but today I'm gonna go to Arcaron, which is a little beach town right by Bordeaux. I have a train right there, and then I'm gonna try to go to the beach and then maybe visit Dune du Plat, which is the biggest sand dune in Europe. So let's go do that, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. This is the outfit. Let's So I'm at the beach. I think I'm about done. I ate some food on the dune, and then I dipped my toes in the water. So now I'm gonna head back and then catch my train back to Bordeaux. I might get a smoothie and some souvenirs on the way back though, so I'll show that. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. I'm thinking this way up might be less steep. No. Barely made it. Not even halfway. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going. I'm finally back from the beach in Dune du Plat. My train was delayed an hour. I had to sit in there for an hour, and I just trained by everyone celebrating Bastille Day. And I wish I could go see the fireworks, but when I got my period today, and I'm so tired I'm staying on that train, so I am going over to see some wineries tomorrow, so that's fun. So I'll see you then. I'm gonna rest for the rest of the night. Hello, good morning. It's time to go over to Saint-Emilion, which is where all the wineries are. I'm gonna go pick up my rental car. We're gonna drum on over there. So let's go. This is the outfit today. I'm back, baby. Ah! I love driving. Guys, we had a long night in the mirror circle. So I just walked around Saint-Emilion for a bit. I forgot to bring my camera, so there's some clips from my phone that you just saw. But now I'm gonna go meet with the winemaker. So let's go get doing that. It was a really good meeting. Yeah, I had fun. We talked a lot about wine, you know, the wine lingo. And they only produce like 2 varietals, which is surprising because like my winery produces 5 and about the 4th of the size it is. But it's really cool to hear about like the different things and also about how global warming is having an effect on the vines. So I'm excited. Pull off real quick. So I'm gonna try and find some wine, or not wine. I'm gonna try and find some food and I will update you. I also might head back to Bordeaux, we'll see. It's only like 2:30. Oopsies, I just went to Montlebert and bought 2 wines. I'll have to show you guys when I get to the hotel because they're wrapped up pretty. But their rosé was so good, so I had to buy it. I'm gonna go find food now. Now that I've tried more wine, but yeah. So I came back to my hotel room to drop the wine off and stuff, and I've been rotting, and I need to go return the motherfucking car. So let's go do that and get some din din.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.